saw you.
I didn't know if I should like.
What is up, guys? Good morning. We are in Walla Walla, Washington. About to drift. Drivers meeting just ended. About to get on the track. See you guys out there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out Core Culture. Check out all the guys drifting here. Also check out Fielding Shredder, Lone Star Drift.
Like I tried to floor out of it, and this time it was like, there's no way. Like,
You did both.
yeah, like what?
Corey, what happened, bud?
You know, I was trying to jam too hard, and instead I just hooked it straight to the wall.
Oh yeah, I did some similar stuff on mine. Shout it out.
My Instagram is Holio, W-H-O-L-E-O,
Nice.
and my name is Julio. Just how you're supposed to read it.
Wasted.
Oh, how perfect, and it's yellow.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you now anyways. Good job. Slap it on there somewhere.
This? No, this sticker. Oh shit, wrinkled.
The spot's like really low.
Wait, it does look pretty old and dark.
Yeah, I can do that.
Having some noise.
Yeah, just like resistance with the power steering and it's whining. But what's weird is whenever I've got no load on it, it's completely silent. It's smooth all the way.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. But maybe I just swap all the fluid out, put some polydyne in it, see if it fixes it.
Nice. What is up, guys? We are in the car with Fielding. Gonna go a little test run.
And we're gonna see if this is a temporary fix.
Fingers crossed on that one. If not, he's got parts and we can get it swapped out. Just a matter of time.
Yep, exactly.
Sweet.
It definitely feels better. Definitely feels a lot better.
Sick.
That one corner was really tough.
Yeah.
The most important one. But other than that, the car drives fine.
Okay.
Let's see how it does when it warms up. I like that dirt drop, or that three-wheel thing.
Hell yeah.
That's cool.
This thing feels good.
It does, right?
Nice and grippy, buddy.
Yeah.
I love the Civic.
Yeah, that's cracking me up.
Did you just smash your rear end? That's really bad.
We gotta bust out the hammer now. Let's get working.
Oh, wow. Cool. I think it'll go in the back seat. Whoa. Bro, we need another condom. Get the Magnum.
Ready to get Alrighty, back at the Airbnb. Car's ready. Everything's gonna be good for tomorrow. Got the power steering line leak figured out. I don't think I did whatever that much. Gonna get to editing. Drop this thing as fast as I can. Do another one tomorrow. So I'll edit accordingly.